What's up, guys? Your boy D-Dog here. Today's video we are going to talk about the Nike Air Jordan 4 Neon 95. I don't know what is the proper name for it, but I finally got my package. Came early, came on the 25th. By the time y'all see this, it's going to be on the Tuesday upload, but they did come on the 25th. And like I said, I really wanted this shoe. I wasn't trying to pay the $225, but I'm just gonna be honest, man. $225. I would have been better off copping the Yeezys, you know, if it came down to it. But like I said, these are gonna go back once I go back to work, and then I talk to who I need to talk to, you know what I'm saying, so I can get that love, you know what I'm saying. I ain't gotta pay, you know, $225. Actually, it was like $233 with tax. So yeah, we trying to pay the low ball. Moving along. So yeah, got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. This might be a longer video, you know, because we're gonna talk about some things. It was some things that you know, they really questioned me. Like not questioned me, but there's some questions like, why did this shoe cost $225? You release a shoe $225 and hold up. This my return label. This shit going back. So yeah, let's get into it. We can go ahead, get the box. So as you can see, you get a gray. It's like a gray, black, and white with the neon flight on there. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is right there. On the box, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro SE. That's what it says on the box. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what it says. Size 11, I got my size. I was upset that these sat. I ain't gonna hold you up. I think it was because of the what's going on. I don't think these should have sat. You know what I'm saying? And I really feel like these should have sold out. But because of the circumstances, I'm gonna chalk it up to the circumstances that's going on around the world right now. But them Yeezys sold out though. You know what I'm saying? And that's the one thing that like really like mind boggled me. Now I'm not using my microphone on this video. I'm actually trying using a different audio source on the actual camera. So hopefully everything works. So let's open it up. As you can see on the box, you do get a Nike Air, get a Jumpman right there. Yeah, just get that Air. You got the Air on the side, the Air on the front right there, the Jumpman. We open up the box. Got to be very delicate with these because these potentially will be going back. So I don't want to be throwing them around and everything and they be mad. No, we sending these back, bruh. So you do get a black retro trash bag, and then inside the trash bag you get the white trash bags still. And we're gonna pull out we're gonna pull them both out. All right, so here we are. Air Jordan 4. Air Jordan 4, man. I'm pretty impressed with these. Like the color of the shoe, they did a good job with this, man. Like when I saw the grade school photos when they first released these, I was literally like on the fence, but then I was like, wait, these are grade schools that they're showing when they showed the leaked photos. Based off like me touching the shoe, like it's very poofy. Like compared to your average Air Jordan 4, it's kind of like they put the cushion in the Air Max in this shoe. You got the puffy tongue, you got the Air Max shoestrings right there. It's a nice shoe. The color blocking was perfect in my opinion. You got the white netting, you got the ropes like that goes on the Air Max. You got the neon. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad that they didn't go too overboard with the neon. You know what I'm saying? Not neon, with the Volt. You know what I'm saying? You got hints of it right here. You got hints on the tongue. And then you got it all right there. And then you also got it inside the air bubble. The one thing that did throw me off was on the midsole. On the midsole right here, it's suede, bro. Like for real. Like this part. This is all suede. But then again, and it got that, you know, got that how they say that booty back rub. Got that booty back rub, you know what I'm saying? I'm still in that, you know what I'm saying? These look like these been kind of worn because I'm looking at them and they look kind of worn, bro. Like they look like they was already worn a little bit. You feel me? Let me show y'all. See that look? They just look a little worn. Everybody's pair, not perfect. However, you know, you got the Nike Air on the back, you know, to pay homage to the Nike Air Max 95s. You know what I'm saying? It's that dope boy, you know, dope boy color, you know. Got the suede all around. They got the light gray on there. Got the dark gray suede. Then you got the suede, like more suede on here. You know what I'm saying? They got more suede right here. I like this shoe. This is a shoe that you know, you won't be able to wear all the time. You know, you can wear it, but just not, you know, when the elements hit, like rain, snow. You know what I'm saying? This is not like the winterized for. You know, these kind of remind me of the Calls for, in a way. Like I don't never seen one in person, but like the material that they use on here is really good. I'm not gonna even hold you up. I'm not bigging it up because I got the shoe. Like I'm just saying, like the material that they use is pretty good. However, $225. I do not think these are worth $225. I'm sorry. I just do not think these are worth $225. Maybe when I try them on, because I will. Once I get, you know, once I send these back and get the pair that, you know, for the lows, I will get an on feet, and I'll bring that out for y'all. But in the meantime, like $225, man. This was, I could have bought some Yeezys for the same price. You know what I'm saying? That day. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool though. You know what I'm saying? They still in stores, man. They sat like ducks, man. I hate to say it, like that was crazy how they just sat. And like, but then again, I chalk it up to, you know, to what's going on out, you know, right now in the world. Yeah, see, here's my complaint. Jumpman, get it together, bro. Look at this. You see how crispy that one is? You see how dark that is, bro? Look at it. You see how dark that is? See that? Look at this. You see how light that is, bro? See how, like, come on, man. The quality, they gotta get it together, man. It's like somebody switched with, it's like, I don't know, bro. They gotta get it together with the quality. So like, hopefully the pair that I'm gonna get when I get them in person, hopefully they will look hella better. I'm gonna inspect them too before I cop. With that said, I'm gonna let y'all go because these boys going back, so I can get them for the low. I ain't gonna even hold you up. I refuse to pay $225 for some shoes like that. Yeah, man, I just can't do it. I just can't pay $225 for that, you know, especially how the quality was just looking on those. Yeah, I gotta send those back, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna go where I go to get my shoes, and then we'll bring them back, and then we'll probably do a run back on this review for the on feet, so I can see exactly what the hell, you know what I'm saying, they talk about. I do need to try these on though. I'm probably gonna try them on in store just to make sure I got my correct size. I'm just mad that they actually sat. Hopefully, I hope they do not get the Tinker 3 Air Max treatment where like they just sat, bro. Like, I don't know what it is, but every time Jordan brand in another shoe does like a collaboration or something like that, like the shoes never do well. Like, you know, if you guys remember when the Jumpman brand, Jordan brand, they did a collab with the Air Force Ones, and those did not do very well. They tried to Air Force One every damn Jordan, and that did not do very well. So I hate to say it, like this shoe might suffer the same fate, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, with everything that's going on right now, we don't know. So you never know, a whole bunch of shoes might be sitting. So with that said, I'm finally gonna let y'all go. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.